Okay, so let me start with Fibonacci numbers. So first, let me show you all. So what is the agenda? How I will put up the day? Theory and basics. I won't take with number, ratio and all that. Basic revision, 20 minutes. How to draw fib retracements, extension projections, 20 minutes. Retracements, that is correction when markets are rising, pullback when markets are falling, approximately 20 minutes. On charts I will be showing you critical points. That is the most important thing, because what happens when there is retracement, market is falling or the market is moving up, we don't know from where it can reverse. So I want to know what are the critical points it will reverse from. So just let us see, can we find those critical points? See, one thing always remember, there is no 100% in the stock market. Not even in our life also we don't have any guarantee for 100%. So in market, whatever best we can do, we are doing. And whatever best you can do, you should do. Extension projections 20 minutes, fib ratio, move exponential. This is my specialty of moving average EMAs, fib based. And then I'll take up your question answers. Any unanswered questions, as Swati told, I will answer them. Don't worry about them. Concentrate on listening rather than thinking of questions right now. Okay, and there I will answer all your questions, maybe later on also when you put up the questions, but right now concentrate. So everybody knows Fibonacci, all these are theories. It was by Italian mathematician, and he had developed the famous sequence. How did he develop? Like say 1, then 2, then add this will become 3, add this will become 5, add this will become 8, add this will become 13, add this will become 21. So generally what we have seen, all these age, even these are called as age, which are age factor, which is very important in our life. 1, 2, 3 age, then fifth, the when we are 5 years old, when we are 8 years old, when we are in 13 we enter the teen, 21 and all that, then everything from then after that, adding these two will become 34, adding these two will become 55, then 89. So this way it keeps on going and going and going and going. So this is how the sequence was developed. If you want to really make the sequence, what we can do is, I will show you Excel. This is the Excel. I have made 0, then 1 to 1, 1. I added this. Then if you keep on adding, if you see what I have done, A6 plus A5 means this number and this number I have added, I got this number. Then this number 5 and 3 I added, I got 8. So this way I have made the whole sequence. You can make n number. It can go up to any number. Just a small thing. Market is hovering around this number, na? बहुत परेशान कर रहा है this number. 18,000 plus minus and all. So these number also have some value, bhai. Now, if you ask me why Fibonacci is working and why not, there is a lot of science behind that. I will not go in that detail. For that, there are a lot of Googles and YouTubes and all. You can see it from there. Whatever I'm writing, I will give you as it is, so that you all can understand by what I have explained. So he was the famous Italian mathematician Leonardo Pisano. So this is what I've explained you all. Now, when I go over here, what I have done in retracement, this is retracement or correction. What I do, A8 by A7, that is, which is A8? A8 is 5. So when I come over here and I say equal to 5 divided by 3, what do I get? Sorry, my bad. I say A7 by A8. So I say this divide by 5. What do I get? I get 6. And continuously when I keep on doing, can you see at one place it has become stable? That is 0.0618. If you write in a proper number, like how we used to write the percentage in our 25 upon 100. What, remember, R upon 100? This is the way we used to write. So it becomes 0.25%. So same way, 61.8 upon 100 will become 0.618. So that is what you can see it over here. And you will see after a certain time, this number has become fixed. So these are fib ratios. Why? Because they are divided by the fib numbers itself. For 0.38, what I have done, now here I was taking 1, 1, the difference between two digits, and now I'll be taking difference from 2. So what I have said here, A14 divided by A16. So what I will do, I'll do it again for you. A14 divide by A16. I have taken a gap of one line and I get this number. So you will see 0.38 again becoming the same 23.61, and same way extensions. So I will give you this Excel sheet also. When you click on Excel sheet, you will get the formula over here, what it is written, and accordingly you can prepare it or understand how I have taken out or how it is taken out. In this way, suppose you don't have what do you say, the chart or something in front of you, but you very good at math. So what let us say market went up, market started from 500 and went up to 550. That means what is the difference? Difference is 50. How much down it can come? It can come down to, let us say, 23.6%. It can, sorry, dollar डाल दिया मैंने, 23.6%. 550 का रेट अगर $23 हो जाए तो अच्छा है. और it can come down to 38.2% or 61.8%. Just in the middle, what we have done, not we have done, I have not done anything. We have placed 50% also as a retracement. कि by 50% retrace हो सकता है. Then 61.8. So what you can do is, if you have a very good, you are very good in maths, you can accordingly find out between these two what is the 23.6% of 50, 38.2% of 50, 50% of 50. So मुझे 50% of 50 is how much? 25. So price between this, if it corrects, it can come to 525. So if you can understand in this way also, then also you can do your Fibonacci extensions, retracements, and all these things. So Excel sheet also helps you a lot, which I will give it to you. Don't worry at all. आप मांगो, हम देने को तैयार हैं. So this is the Excel sheet and everything I've mentioned here. 8 divided by 13. We call 61.8 as a golden ratio. Everybody knows that. Then all I've mentioned, what I have done, 21 by 8, when I divide, I get 2.618. 21 divided by 8. This is what I have done. 21 divided by 8. Okay? This is how even body parts are divided in the fib series. Swati, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, if I'm not audible, please let me know immediately.
Absolutely.
Yeah, these are the way the body parts are also divided into different Fibonacci levels of everything is mentioned on YouTube. So I will not go in these theoretical details much more. But these ratios, they play a very important role in financial markets, because I am concerned with financial market because my finance is over there. My money is in financial market. I trade in stocks. So that is why for me, I want to know its role in stock market. So these ratios play an important role in financial market as they do in nature also. Price action is never random. If you see, you might have seen some waves in the market. Market moves in waves, right? Why market does not move this way? That's not the tendency of the market. Market has to move either this way or this way. Then what happens? From this is point, let us say point 0, this is point 1, and this is my point 2. How to get point 2 is I place 1 point over here and 1 point over here for retracement, and I get a point 2, which is called as correction. Market when moves up and it comes down, that's called correction. So that is why the waves are created. You can call them as, why we call, generally this is a market language, that when market is moving upside and then it is coming down, we generally call it as correction. And this is how market is moving. Market is moving up downwards and then taking a pullback. So this is called as pullback in general market terminologies. How much pullback will it take? 23.6%, 38.2%, 61.8%. So this is one a very, very big question mark. Again, prices after that fall. How much will it fall? 100%? 1.61%? 2.61%? Very big question, but very interesting question. That's why we can make money, na bhai. This is also a pullback. Yes. So this is how the price action will tell you how to move if you know how to take the wave. Again, saying 100%, there is no 100%. But if you can take a combination of all what you have learned, but this is one of the best thing I have found in Fibonacci. So what are retracement? I've explained you, and we take by taking two extreme points, usually a swing high and a swing low, and dividing them into distance ratios. So instead of dividing, now we don't have to do all the hard work by doing Excel and all. We have directly on the charts where we can take a point and place it over there. So how we can do that? Just I will show you. It's a very simple way. ड्राइंग इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग. ड्राइंग बहुत इजी है. स्कूल में सीखा था ना, लाइन मारना सबको आता है. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट आई डू, I take this from here. This is a swing. I will take this swing and try to see what has happened. It has broken and it is almost touching this level. So now what? How to find out where it will take turn? Friends, I enjoy one thing very much. Let us see this. I'll just tell you, just give me 2 minutes. I'll just enjoy this very much. And sorry, I keep on doing all these things on Yeah. Tell me, it is very easy to say that this is one support, this is one support, this is one support, this is one support. Arey bhai, it is very easy to tell, even I know. But see the fall. This to this. Almost 200 points have fallen in SRF. And if you are telling me this is a support, this is a support, this is a support, this is a support, or let's say buy on dips or something, but where to buy? Shall I buy over here? Yahan se it is coming down again. Here to buy, again it is coming down. Here to buy, again it is coming down. Here to buy, again it is coming down. But if you are right 70% times also in this, then we have done it. Actually, we have nailed it. And we are like, yes, king of the market. But 70% right is acceptable for me. Lesser than that also chalega, but not, उससे ज़्यादा मिलता नहीं है. So only thing is, I want to know where the fall will stop, my friend. That is the most important question of my life. Now let me put another question to you. This is what a swing high and this is a swing low. Now you will ask me, what is all this? From how to trade all this? Market is in a falling. So if you see, I don't even have to tell you. अब ठीक है मुझे दिख जाता है तो मेरे से I will tell you, I'll explain you a small thing. When I see, I can't overlook to explain you all. So I won't look it in this way. If you see, what can you see? अब तो सबको दिखेगा. Everyone can see this now. What I'm drawing. Yeah? Visible to everyone? What I'm drawing? And why did I draw this? Because what is this if it is a flag? If it is a flag, flag generally don't move above or below 50%. Means in a pullback 50%, in a correction 50%, and then it takes a turn. So it's a perfect flag. This is a bearish flag. Can you see that? It's moving exactly from 50%. Can you all see that? See? Lovely, na? Exactly. Yes. Exactly 50%. What more can I give you all? See. And from here, this is a 50% line. And from here, when it breaks and see, flags may, it should not go up to 61.1. So let me go again to this. So for, we are looking what? We are looking for a pullback in the existing trend, in a correction, fib retracement. Retracement means we are taking a retracing line or a retracing point either for the correction or a pullback. Means we are trying to find out till where it can fall, till where it can rise. See, in middle when I'm getting some ideas in the flow, I can share a trick with you. The best upward up rally may, if you see the fall only up to max 38.2, means it's a very good up move. The more it falls, the more difficulty it will find to go up. And if it falls to 61.8, that is also good. But then moving up and giving you a big move is not so easy. While falling from 38 and then giving you a big move is a good rally. Why? Because you might have purchased somewhere here, went up, you were not able to sell 38.2. You can, and if it retraces and moves back again, you can again add some more quantity and take the ride of the journey. But suppose if you have bought over here and if the price retraces somewhere here, we'll get, we will get scared. And once we get scared, what will happen? We will square off the position. Stop loss hit kara diya, and then market moves in this way, and we are just watching and watching and watching and saying, मेरा stop loss खाने को ही आया था. So 61.8 or 161, 1.618 is a golden ratio, because in the world of mathematics, the numeric value of pi, pi, जो भी बोलो, phi, named for Greek sculptor Phidias, जो भी आप, Phidias, whatever you can spell. My English is not so good, but still. So now this is what we have done. This is swing low, you can say, or you can say market as 0.0, and this is 1 or 100. 1 means 100. You can take this line, and automatically when you do a retracement, you get these levels. This is what I showed you just now. So this is how it is done. I'm not very good at diagram. I've copy pasted it, okay? It's not my art. Openly telling you, huh? This is my art, but chart is not mine. I've taken from TradingView. What have I done? I've taken this as 0 point, this as 1. If you see, this is how, and then see. Market has come down, and see what is the retracement, 23. जितना कम retracement होगा ना, उतना movement में मजा आएगा. I love this type of movement. Sorry friends, थोड़ी हिंदी निकल जाती है. I come by, I know it's an English session. I should not speak Hindi, but can't help. Forgive me. This is a 38.2. See the movement, how it has taken. Now you will ask me why it did not move from here, why it moved from here. Wait. I'll explain you everything. And see after 38, the move, see the move from 56 to 71. And Bhel is running like anything, na? Then Axis Bank, 50%. See? This is 61.8. Now here you see the movement of this and the movement of 38%. Isme, as of now, Bhel is 676. So if for today I'm taking, so 20 rupees in Bhel. And here is 2080 to 400 rupees in Balkrishna. If I take percentage wise, this is 20%. And if I take it in this, 20 rupees at the rate of 56, it is almost 35%. So which is a bigger rally? 38.2. That is what I was trying to tell you. Got it? Same way, when I take down, see the rally. Now 38.2, and see the speed. Wow. 50%. After the 50%, market has reversed back. Can you see? This is the swing high, this is the swing low, and we are there. 61%. See, it is finding difficult. right? Bank of India. And if you have seen, Bank of India has already turned back. So what are the things from which price the price will reverse, from where it will reverse? These are the biggest question I face from many of my students as well as from my clients, that how can I come to know which is the point? Market क्या लगता है, कहाँ तक टिकेगा? From how do you see the market? Where till where it can fall, till where it can rise? Now you don't need to ask anyone. Find it out by yourself only. Stand on your own feet forever. At which point I can get the maximum possible profits? Ah, everybody wants this, yeah? At which point I can get the minimum stop loss? See, stop loss can be minimum, but please accept the stop loss gracefully. I find many people saying, Madam, आपका 3 SL hit हो गया. So out of 10 trades, if 3 SL have been hit, what can I do? I am not even any person in the world, even if he has hundreds of years of experience, he cannot give you 100%. So that is what we have to face. And the most important thing, how to find the critical levels from where the price can reverse. Yes, before going to that, I would like to ask if anybody has the question. Mr. Yogendra Shekhar. Yes, you can. This Fibonacci works, not only Fibonacci, whatever Fibonacci to works everywhere, even in the whole world also it works, not only market, even in our life also it works. But the most important thing is whatever I teach it conceptually, it works in every market. It works in every time frame. If you want, it will even work it in 1 minute also. There are scalpers who do this in 1 minute also. For golden ratio, there is a theory. You can go to there lots of YouTubes why it's called as golden ratio 61.8. So I don't want to spend my time on the theory. I want to be more on practical side so I can explain much more if I get time. You should, Mr. Omkar, you can take a previous swing low compared to the current swing high. I will not only, Mr. Deepak, just wait, I will show you lot many charts where I will draw fib and everything. See, Mr. Gaurav, you don't have to see the time frame for right now. It works on all time frame. How to see the critical points for that, I will explain you. How did I choose the range? I don't know how did I choose the range, because I took a top swing high along with the current swing low and market was moving up. I took it. It took a 50% retracement, came back. It gave me a shape of flag. So I drew a flag. See, the thing is, my friends, many times I have noticed that what we are seeing, what we want to see. We should actually see what market is trying to show us. I hope you all are getting me. I want to see a flag. No. Is it showing me a flag? You keep on drawing and automatically it will try to show you something. Don't say कि मुझे ऐसा ही चाहिए. No. See what market shows you. Based on that, you take your decision. So Mr. Amrit says many times I put a stop loss below the 50% and price just come below, just close beyond it and again continue back. So that is what till now I've showed you how to see that what is the retracement. Now I'm showing you the critical points or the questions from which level it can reverse. So abhi to time aa raha hai. I'm showing you. Yes, so I think I am done with all the questions. Mr. Omkar, this is not only your problem, everybody's problem. So don't worry. Chill. Now coming how to draw, Mr. Premal. So first, I will come to charts. As a matter of fact, we will take any chart for that matter. Why you want SRF only? And if you say if it is SRF, let us see SRF. SRF was in rising phase. Can you see? जो चार्ट हाथ में उसको देखो. It was in rising phase. Yes. So market went from year to year and अटक गया. इधर क्यों अटका? So let us say. So this is a swing low. I take a fib retracement from trading view. This is fib retracement. You can take it from any stock in investing.com or any chart. Every chart will have fib retracement, projection, extension, everything. And which is the swing high? This is the swing high. And can you see? It has reversed from where? It has twice touched 38.2. And what did I say? When it touches 38.2 and reverses back, it gives you a very good rally, whatever it is. If it touches 61, why it does not move? Because more the fall, the more pressure it will get in pulling it back upside. That is what I have generally seen. There are many things you can do with fib. Enter the world of fib, and fib is apne aap mein. If you know fib, now you don't need anything else. That's what I've seen. Anything else means what? जितना कम retracement होगा उतना अच्छा है. If it is 0.23, it's better. But still, the most important ratios which are treated as are 38.2 and 61.8. These are the most important treated till date. They are given more weightage. Okay. Someone was saying Zydus. I will take only 2 examples because time is short. Iske baad you keep on asking me later on. Now see, I got a swing low. Yes, this is a swing low. If you can't do this, then do one thing. First, draw all the swings which is possible for you to draw. Draw all the swings. Practice drawing swings. If you can't, then if you can't take directly swing high, swing lows. How 61.8 helps? Because that is said to be the place where it's a golden ratio and price ज़्यादा करके वहाँ अटक ही जाता है. See now, how much is this, my friend? Omkar, this is for you. Your question is answered. So this is Zydus. See, 23.6. And it is moving. This is wherever you want, you can draw. This is daily. Okay, let us draw it on lower time frame. Let us draw in 5 minutes. I'm not saying, I'm just taking it randomly. I'm telling you, I have not done any study or any homework prepared particularly for today's session. Why? Because I'm trading this on and off. So why should I prepare myself for all this? I have practiced these fib in so many times. See what has happened. If you see, now this is what I like. So what I will do, as I told you, first try to make a wave. Yes. Can you make a wave? Right? Yes. See, what I said, position वगैरह का भी मत दिमाग लगाओ. First you understand. Position अपने आप लोगे. Position. Don't hurry in the position, bhai. Hurry to understand, not position. Position you will be in a position to take position. Don't worry. But first have the knowledge. If still you find difficult, join me on Stockage. Come on. आ जाओ. And there I explain also things. Huh? I hope people are happy with my explanation when I explain them on Stockage. See, that was the swing, and it is taking a move approximately from 38.2. Right? Delete that. Again, from this swing high to take swing low, and see, now this time it is 50%. So this is how also you can keep on doing it. Don't worry at all. These are very simple. You can draw. You can use swing high, swing low. I'm giving you my PPT also, which will tell you the pointers from where it is taken and how it is taken. Draw on, based on that, the full chart along with timing and everything is given. You yourself draw it out and you will have the proper trade. Now, the most awaited knowledge. Why did not reverse from 38? Why did reverse from 50? Why? Trend is coming down, but it can reverse also, no? See, when you all are, I love the answers what you all are giving me. I'm really very happy. Why? Because you all are seeing the right hand side. You all can see a green candle, and that is why you all are telling me because the price will move up now. What if it comes over here and price does not move up? You don't have, if when you are a position then the market, na, that time you tell me, because that time you don't have a right hand side move picture. So now you can see this candle and you know what is the rate today, you can tell me. But when your position is there and you are stuck over here, tell me, will the price move up? No idea. You will ask me only, market upar kab jayega? I understand your position, you are in a short position. So from here, will it reverse? I don't know. Let us see how to find out. Will it reverse from here? I don't know. Will it reverse from here? I don't know. Will it reverse from here? I don't know. So let us understand how to see it. Got it? Now I go to a lower time frame. Don't worry for the pattern. I go to a lower time frame. Let us say price is falling this way. This is daily chart. Let us assume this is a daily chart. Now I will go to a lower time frame. Listen to me very, very carefully. I will go to a lower time frame, that is 1 hour or 30 minutes, half hour. Not lower than that. Maximum 2 degrees lower. I may miss many times. Miss means gone, दूसरा कुछ चीज देखेंगे. It's not hard and fast that I have to do this means I have to do this. So I will go to a lower time frame. What might have happened? Everybody knows there is a RSI level of 70 and 30. Right? So if you see, I use relative strength index, not relative strength, Mr. Praful. So if I see, I can see two things. In a lower time frame, when this price was falling in daily when the price was falling, in a lower time frame, the price, the RSI might have gone below 30. There is a possibility that RSI might have gone below 30 and now it is coming up. But if I'm not getting a positive candle over here, I will still not take a position because there is a probability that I can get a positive divergence where price is making a lower low, but RSI is not making a lower low. So I may get a positive divergence, and when I get a positive divergence, along with that, if I get a movement over here, then I will take a position. So market itself tells you why it is continuously falling from here and where it will stop. You don't need to take anybody's help to understand. Practice by yourself. So what have I shown you over here? So that slide, if you see, Hero Moto was in a daily time frame, if you can see, right? I always tell everyone to see on a laptop, not on a mobile while I'm doing a session, and particularly anyone is doing a session on charts or data, you should avoid mobile and try to see it on a jitna bada ho sake utna big desktop or laptop, something like that. So what happened? See, this is the same point. It fell down. What has happened? RSI was below 30. Can you see that? And at this level, can you see I'm getting a positive divergence where prices are making a lower low, but RSI is not making a lower low. So now when it comes about this level, I can take a chance of buying, definitely with a stop loss below this level. I will not trade without a stop loss. Futures I hardly trade. Mostly to anyone has not seen me trading much of futures. I'm more into options and cash. So I have a stop loss in place. Without stop loss, no. Many time it happens that I cut my position, prices run. I never feel guilty of that कि price cut कर दिया stop loss पे तो cut कर दिया. That is a rule. Khatam means khatam. Again, I'm explaining you the whole thing over here. What has happened at this level? Price has fallen. This was what? 38. What can you see RSI at this level? Tell me, what is RSI at this level? Below 30. We never buy below 30. Why? Because I don't buy actually. People call it as oversold zone. I buy it when it comes above 30, but not below 30. Then now price has made a new low. Still RSI is below 30. I will still not buy. I will wait. Now I have got a positive divergence. Can you see that? Where prices are making low and RSI is not making a low. So this is the place where I got divergence. And then if I get a candle pattern or something like that, I can go ahead. So how much degree did I go down or how much low time frame did I take? If you see, I have gone 1 hour. At the most 1 hour or half an hour. Don't go too much low. Otherwise, what will happen? You will get more of whipsaws. Here also, you may get whipsaws, but the frequency is still less. See, this is the one place which I had to stress more. Any doubts? You can ask me so I can move ahead properly. Anybody? I hope I'm clear. I'm going properly step by step. If I do on 15 minutes, then go to 10 minutes and 5 minutes. See, let Mr. Ravi, I'm coming about 61. Let me pull back and all. Let me come to that. I'm not in 61.8 or I'm not in 38.2. I'm trying to explain you from which level it can reverse. I will show you everything. Don't worry. Mr. Yogendra, you know very well I don't trade Bank Nifty. Everybody knows I don't trade Bank Nifty. It works on Nifty also. Remove the name. It is Hero Moto. It will work everywhere. We don't have to, Mr. Sumit, whatever you are drawing on the higher time frame, see it back on a lower time frame. Don't change it in a lower time frame. Don't draw a fib again on a lower time frame. Priyanka, if there is no divergence and RSI is coming above, it will give you some candle pattern like engulfing bullish or something like that. Neelam, if you follow RSI, follow RSI. But today's session is fib, so I cannot say don't know fib or fib is also considered and all. Okay, please. Since today's fib session, yes, you'll get the recording. See, intraday, if you are very much interested in intraday, use it on 15 minutes along with 10 minutes, 5 minutes. If you are using on 5 minutes, use 3 minutes, 1 minute, that way. So the lower the time frame you will go, the more you will get the heartbeats बढ़ जाएगी. You know that? Okay. What is the question? See the stop loss level. I will go back over here. What is the, I have purchased somewhere here. I have taken the position somewhere here. What is the low? If this low breaks after giving so much positive divergence, if the low breaks after giving a positive candle, after giving a positive divergence, and still if the, and I bought it and then the low breaks, I have to be out, no? Yes, Bandana? I have explained so many times I don't trade Bank Nifty. मेरा heartbeat बढ़ जाता है. In my one heartbeat, it changes 4 times option price, so I can't. इतना risk नहीं लेना है. I can't trade Bank Nifty. You can call me anything by any name, but I don't trade Bank Nifty. You don't have to modify the fib in lower levels. What you are doing it in the higher level or wherever you have drawn it, you go down. I will show you just 1 second. There is a recording. You can see it 10 times. No problem. Let me continue, please. I can see the excitements, yeah? Now, let me go to daily time frame. Remove all. 1 second, remove this. Yeah? And let me go to daily time frame. Now I'll put RSI also. Yes? I don't have to do anything. I'll go to 1 hour and see what is the situation. Where is the chart? See, it will show me. Yes, it's not giving me any signal. I'll go to 30 minutes. I don't have to modify it again. So, what say, my friend? Do you need anything now? Tell me. What say? Have you got the reply? It has come about 30. Then it went up. Here it same place. It gave you a positive type of divergence also. And see. Did it hit your stop loss? Did it go below the low? No, I didn't change anything. If you want, I'll compress and show it to you. See, did I change anything? Tell me. Can you see how beautiful it is done? What say? Same thing. I've just gone 2 levels below, not more than that. And I got a beautiful buy candle over here. I can go keep my stop loss below this. Did it come below that? No. And then see, this is how it works. I hope now your doubts are cleared. Yes, Mr. Anbu, you answered it. Please tell the reason for in English whether Fibonacci will not work for it. See, Fibonacci will work. You want only RSI to work. So this session is for Fibonacci. So I will use RSI along with Fibonacci, not separately, only RSI. For that, I have done already one session. So, Mr. Sulay, this is another Zydus Life. I have given you the example. Is it clear now? Come on, Mr. Sulay. Confirm it fast. Yeah. So, this is how I look double divergence. Why I call it as double divergence, right? So let me show you why I call it as double divergence. Can you see the divergence over here? Though this divergence is not a real divergence, but still, if you take this and this, it is positive. So one divergence, and it is a double divergence. What say? From where it has reversed 50%. How do I come to know it will reverse from here? Any judgment, any guesswork? How will I come to know that it will reverse back from here? From this point? Come on. Can anybody type? Why it reversed from here? Yes, negative. See, we are talking of not consolidation. We are talking of one thing is, right now, we are talking of, like this, we were talking about 70-30 RSI. Same way, I should get RSI coming from 70 above to lower or negative divergence. So either I should get this, and this is the best. And I'm telling you, trust me, if you get triple divergence, na, wonderful. One divergence is okay, 2 are good, and 3 are best. 3 triple divergence, fantastic. And that, so you can see it without RSI. I'll show you one beautiful thing. And that I will show you in the last, because that will be a cherry on the cake. Okay? So, abhi bata dungi, now if I tell you all, you all will run away, no? So I don't want you all to run away. I want you all to see the whole slide. Yeah. See what has happened. Can you see? Prices are making higher highs. RSI is falling continuously, right? And what did I get over there? Engulfing bearish. Exactly at the retracement level. Yes? So, enjoy the party and see the fall. So, see the fall. Wow. So, what is this date? Let us see June. Let us see, na? What's the harm? So, Crompton, Greaves, daily time frame. This is April, May, June. Can you see the June thing? Yes. See the fall. Wonderful. From where did you get? This was the point. So, how did you do it? Yeah. This is a swing high. I'm not getting a proper, this is not a proper swing high. So what to do? You will only come to know, because see, at this level, no, you have so many candles, so it is not a proper swing high. So I will go to a swing high and see the beauty, the way it has fallen. Maza aa gaya. What was the price? 372. Assume that you must have sold at 365. 365 also. At the close price also at 365. At least you could have made this much. 10%. In how many days? Just count. Just count in how many days. 20%. 362, 330. 10%. Chalo, 10% aa gaya ghar mein is not a small thing. Right? So let us move ahead. नहीं तो मेरा session पूरा नहीं होगा. Can you see this? This is engulfing. Bearish. Beautiful trade. So, what did I say? In lower time frame, lower degree or lower time frame, RSI should come about 30 for support and should give positive divergence. This is for support. Double positive divergence indicates good support. Triple positive divergence indicates an excellent support. And if you add a bullish candle to that, it can give you more weightage. Vice versa. अभी Crompton में दिखा है. I showed you just a bearish engulfing. Same way for this lower degree, RSI should come below 70 or should give a negative divergence. Double is good. Triple is excellent. And with a bearish engulfing, which you saw just now in Crompton, what? Bearish engulfing. मजा आया? मजा आया तो type yes. At least 10 yes तो दो. Even I should be motivated, friends. Yes, I'm teaching you all something. You all are happy and enjoying that. Yeah, got more than that. Wow. Good, 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 good. See, many people say they have to see my session at least 5, 6, 7 times to understand it. Yes, because when I give a session, no, they have got a quite deep meaning and they are not theoretical. My friends, they are practical. If you see, they are really practical trades, and to understand practical trades, if you see 3, 4 times, practice lots of time, then you will understand. I have to say, see it 11 times, because they're saying if you see it 11 times, you understand much better, but not 11 times at a stroke. See it one time, try to see the market, again see this, again try to see the market, again see this, again try to see the market. Now, coming to projections and extensions. Okay, so let us understand what are projections. So, and extension. First we will understand extension, then we will see projections. Market went up, corrected. It didn't stop at 23, it didn't stop at 38, it didn't stop at 50, it didn't stop. I'm gone too much down. Let me see, 1 second. It didn't stop at 23, 38, 50, 61, and it went below 100. So where will it stop now? I don't know. It may stop at 100. 100 is this. It may stop at 1.61. It may stop at 2.61. I don't know. So now, same thing will apply over here. Okay, let's see what has happened. Market gira and see this. And what is this, my friend? Somebody asked me about the Nifty. Somebody asked me about the Nifty. So this is Nifty in a daily. What had happened? I took from year to year, कितना rise होगा, कहाँ तक market जाएगा, and see till where market has gone. 2.61. Why did it reverse from here only? I had explained in one session. Tell me if anybody can remember why it had reversed from here only. I have one special trading setup called as gap up, open and high, almost same. Right? So can you see there is a gap up, open high is almost same? Yes? And if you all know market had made an all-time high over there, this I've explained in psychology of candlesticks. Market had made an all-time high. Now if you mix fib with psychology, market had made all-time high, and see from there it reversed back. And I was enjoying like anything. I was enjoying like anything. My friends over here know that I've given up. I was really enjoying like anything. Really. Till that time I was not giving calls, but I was really enjoying the thing that time. मजा आ गया था. Want to see it? चलो, आपको दिखाते हैं. Nifty. Yes. Can you see this? 19th October, the high was 18,604 and gap up open high. Can you see gap up open high? Yes, day before yesterday, previous day it closed at 18,477. It opened at 18,602, which was almost and all-time high with this is a wonderful pattern in itself. What say? It's a standalone setup, and if that is merged with fib ratio or fib resistance, then what should I see more? And from there, what fall I got it in 3 months. What say? मस्त है ना? मस्त है ना? Yes? Okay, I will show you how to add levels. Go to settings. All these levels are added. There is one more level called as 0.0786, means 78.6%. If I add this, so whatever levels you want, you can add. Whatever levels you want, you can remove. So all these levels I have done. यहाँ पे कोई retracement नहीं है. This was simple. Other trade, other way of finding it out, forget it. But was this beautiful? Yes. See, now it is going down and all. Forget about what is happening. Now you should find and tell me. You should find and tell me. So let me add, in the daily time frame only you are getting a negative divergence. Can you see that? Yeah. Can you see that? You are getting a negative divergence in daily time frame only. Try to keep your charts as simple as you can. How to select the stock is not that, how to select these stocks. You select first 10, 20 of your whatever trade you are doing, continuously practice in that, and then you will come to know how to do your practice. Then after 20, take 30, then take 40, then take 50. You know, friends, I have practiced fib so much. I have practiced more than 1,000 times on each level. And today what happens is just by seeing, I come to know that this is a fib level. So practice so much on fib levels that you, by seeing only, you will come to know that this is a fib level. Go to a lower time frame and see. And when you are seeing and when you are studying every day, then what will happen? You will, whichever, if you want to see only FN or if you want to see only Nifty 500 or whatever stocks, make a list of that and how much time it will take. Like, see, I do it. I'll show you how I do it. It hardly takes some time for me. I'll show you. One second. So let us say this is the market watch. This is the list of FNO stocks. How much time does it take? Open a stock. I just have a habit. Click down. Keep on going. How much time does it take to understand? If you have a practice, you can come to know what's going to happen immediately. How much time does it take? It is just a matter of practice and how your eyes are set on that. So the more you do the practice, the more your eyes will be set on that. That's all we can do. Because see, practice only can make you perfect. I'm also doing my practice every day till date. I'm studying for minimum 2 hours. After markets, not during markets. Markets ka study so is going on. But even after markets also, I keep on studying. So this is beautiful, na? Nifty mein mila hai, and that too at the top. Can anybody say this to me? How can I get the top of Nifty? If here I told anyone that Nifty will fall, everybody would have made fun of me. To trade outside FNO, go to Nifty 500, whichever stock, make a watch list and do it that way. What's the problem? The way I made that list, you make your own list. Now what is this? See the beauty of Nifty in weekly. The beauty of Nifty in weekly. Just a second. Huh? Yeah. So weekly mein, what I have done, see this point to this point to this point, and see the way it has fallen. Again, why did it turn? Can you see the fall? Which fall is this? 2020. Why did it take turn from here? Even I didn't know. And trust me, मेरे हाथ में भी कुछ नहीं. I didn't get anything because the movement was very fast. Very, very fast. Even I could not buy it back. Okay. So don't think I'm very great and I must have bought somewhere over here. But yes, this is the place where I've got it. And after that, you can try to find it out. So want to see this? Come on, let's see. Nifty 50 weekly, 2020. I can't go ahead. Yes, right? In daily also RSI was below 30. So what will I do? If you don't want to remember anything, just draw a vertical line over here. Now I'll go to a lower degree time frame, 2 degree lower, daily and hourly. So let me go to hourly first, right? And I will go to 2020. I don't have to find where is 2020. I will have to just search that vertical line where it is. And when I get that vertical line, I will stop. This is the beauty of this TradingView and investing.com and all. Nowadays, all the charts, they give you the access that way. Just draw that line. See, I don't have to search. It will take me automatically. And wherever I'll find a vertical line, it will be done. I got it. That is how I'll be doing it. ये देखो, I got the vertical line. And what can you all see? What can you all see? Tell me. 2 degree lower, exactly at that point. What can you all see? Just tell me. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Bolo, bolo. मजा आया? So, market, how much more it will fall? I don't know. Triple divergence, perfect. How much money does it? If you assume below 30, generally I don't take divergence, but still you can count it for this purpose. You can count it as a divergence because RSI is on a higher base. Only for this Fibonacci purpose. Otherwise, I don't treat this as a divergence because it is below 30. So see, it has given me a top. It has given me a bottom. What say, my friends? What else do you want from the market? Tell me, come on. Top and bottom. Everybody wants top and bottom, and Nifty is so beautifully giving me a top and bottom. Yes? Yes or no? No reply? Unbelievable. What happened? I thought I'm not audible. Now you understood from where I get the energy? Yes. This is how I get the energy from the market, my friends. Market gives me energy. I go. Abhi to kya hua? I'll get more questions from you. See, the thing is, you don't know, Prafulla, when to check the lower time frame. Check it at critical points. Don't check regularly, or else it will increase your heartbeat. I'm showing you. Don't worry. I'll show you everything. See, I have drawn it over there, na? So, what will I do? I will use this to this. Market कहाँ तक जाएगा? ये तो नहीं हुआ, तो अब मुझे स्विंग को थोड़ा बड़ा करना पड़ेगा. Which is a bigger swing? this is a bigger swing because वहां से भी market control में नहीं आ रहा था. Now can you see? Big fall. My God, I just love the markets, you know, the way they behave and they trade and they give you trades. What say? I'll join the top. Yeah. Got it? How to draw? Bharani? See, 1 second. Intraday, you can draw it in intraday 15 minutes and check it in 10 minutes and 5 minutes. What's the problem? It works the same way. It will work the same way. But the money you get it in positional now is mind blowing. If you had done this intraday now, you would have not got this fall. And after the fall, the main question which I was getting from everyone was, or kitna girega? How much more it will fall? Till where it will go? Will market go to 5,000? Will market go to new low? I said yes, Nifty will become zero. What should I say? Come on, see it. It is showing you clearly. See, you ask me. I should ask whom? I will have to ask the markets themselves. That where should I see? Market is saying, see me. I'm here. Market is dancing and showing me. I'm here. Look at me. From here, I'm taking a turn. People are not looking at me. Tata, bye bye, see you. And I'm moving up. And see from there, what we got is a V shaped recovery. And again at the top, what are you getting? Gap up, open high, 19th October 2021. Okay. Let us see what it is showing it in lower time frame. Okay. Ready? So I'll go to lower time frame. Let me see first 1 hour. Again, I don't have to worry. I have to just scroll it down and I will get. See, you can tell me to put me the date. Why I'm not putting the date that go to? The reason is I like scrolling the charts so something new I can see. And many times it happens that I see something new, I observe something new. I think so. Yeah, they're still in 20. What say? Now, let me go to 30 minutes. 2 degree. Did I tell you all now? 2 degree? 30 minutes. What time consuming here? It's a little bit of time consuming. That's okay. It's worth giving my time for such a study, giving my time. It's benefiting. Anything which gives you money, that's worth studying, my friend. And why I'm showing you this way so that even y'all will come to know where to check. See, where I'm still 30 November, so I have to reach to only October. And let me see, is it showing me the line vertical? We are nearing that line. Yes, see. Now tell me what I've seen over here. At the top, with the divergence and khadak, market falling. Open high was same. Still I took a confirmation from, second confirmation from a lower degree. I hope I've answered all the questions over here. O and H means open and high almost nearby, Mr. Nishant. See, I'm not giving any call on Nifty because Mr. Omkar, if you remember, I have given a hedge trade for Nifty. Why? Because market was showing me a negative divergence and all that stuff. I just told to hedge yourself, if you remember. Mr. Amrit, you will have to give a practice to understand the swings. What are the swings? And based on that swings, for each and every level, you will have to practice lot many times to find the correctness. You will have to do lot of practice to understand the swing first. And then only you can get to the points. Yes, today also Nifty had an open and high. Why I don't prepare for expiry trades particularly. I generally don't trade expire. I trade a trend. I trade a reversal. Right? So that is what. Mr. Rahul, Muthoot Finance was not related to this. So let's not discuss it over here for this. I had already shared it in the Stock Edge Social Club. Why I gave that rate. Right? So I hope it is clear. Now, for projections. Again, we are looking for projection. Where to take profit? Good question. Where you find a reversal? I showed you all, no, till how much high it can go. You have found at the resistance point, and from where the price is getting a reversal, and if you have short, from where you're getting a support and price is going to reverse. Book your profit over there. Yes, Mr. Viral? Is it necessary we take a new trade? First thing is to, if we are already in a trade, we are booking profits and then we are going a reversal trade. So now coming to projections. So in projection, what happens? I take 3 points. 0, this is one swing, 1, and this is a corrective swing, 2. So I will take this and this and this, and then also, then it will go to a new way. Now you will ask me what is the difference between these two? Means I can take this also, or I can take this also, right? There is no harm, but when you are taking a new high or something like that, this is much preferred. This is much preferred. Sir, itne sare shares I cannot take. I'm still taking few shares and try to be in liquid stocks. OFSS is not so liquid. So in other words, if market is moving up and making new highs, the standard fib retracement will draw in this way, right? But fib projections will draw the level above the price. So as I said, we require point A, that is 0, 1, whatever you say, and then we plot point C. You can even call it as expansion, projection. So this is how it is taking A, B, C, and then you get the uptrend. In downtrend, it is this way, A, B, C, and you get this. Again, I said, I'm not very good at PPT also. Somehow I have done this. The first time in my life I've done such a big PPT. Otherwise, I'm not very good at PPT. I can explain you things, but because since I'm a trader, more of a trader, rather than making PPTs, I can explain you in this way better. So these all photographs are copy pasted. So what I've done, this is Dalmia Bharat daily, right? 0, 1, 2, or you can say A, B, C, whatever you want. So this is how you will take. I'll show you. Let's take Dalmia Bharat. How I took it, I will show you. Daily. You'll see something or the other on all my charts because I keep on doing all these things. So we were doing something over here. Right? Which we were doing? We were doing on Feb and around Feb. So this is the thing. Which time frame? It is daily and it is from 17th Feb to 24th Feb, something like that. So 20, no, Jan, 21 Feb. Oh, not on that. Is it daily? Dalmia Bharat? I think I have done some error or what? 22, 1 day. This is 2100, 1750. Chart shows me the same thing. Okay, yeah, from here I have taken this way. So what I will do is, I will go to this is trend based fib extension. So if you see, after a gap, market has consolidated for 2-3 days over here. And this is how I have taking this. 1 second, my friend. 1 second, please hold. I think I have lost somewhere. Yes, I've drawn it correctly, but I'm lost somewhere. Just 1 second. Sorry for the thing. It's Jan. Okay. Jan to Feb. My bad. Jan to Feb. Yeah, got it. For this and from year to year, this swing होता है, कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है. And then this is how I draw it. Again, I will show you all how I drew it. No problem. I will take a fib base, fib extension. This is a swing high. From here, I took this point A and this will be point B. Got it? I'll click it over here. Can you see the point B? And I will take it to point C. What am I getting? I am getting same thing. I'm getting a why did at 1.618, why price did not stop at anywhere. So let us see why price did not stop anywhere, why it stopped here. We will go to a 30 minutes to see that 2 degree. See how it makes the pattern also. What say, my friend? क्या बोलते हो? Any words to say? Anything to say? What say? So this is how the things work generally. But if it doesn't work, don't stress yourself to make it work properly. मैंने क्या कहा? Try to see what market is showing you. Yeah, thank you, Samir. I got it. थोड़ा sometimes everybody makes this small mistake, but it's better to make mistakes on practice rather than making mistakes on trades, right? So this is how you can project it. See, extension is what is extension or projection? Projection is what you are trying to project till where you are going to go ahead. So that is what, see, this is also there. I have taken 1 point over here and 1 point over here. Then that, can you see the way it has fallen at 261? You can see it clearly in Apollo hospitals. And gap down, open low. The way we took gap up, open high, this is gap down and open low is almost nearby. Not exact, but it is nearby. And see the movement after that in 3-4 days, it gave you almost 600-700 rupees. 15-20% is not a small deal. Even if you get 5-6% also, no, it's more than enough. Be happy, enjoy life. Don't run behind. See, galaxy surfactants. Now, what am I getting at resistance? I'm yahan per only you can see I'm getting divergence. Again, this is Gujarat Ambuja exports. Somebody asked me about cash stocks. See the cash stocks also. Is it the same thing? From the top and then see the fall. Right? Now, till here, anyone has any questions? I hope it's going on well. Y'all are getting some new things to learn. Deven, I have already explained from swing high to swing low and swing low to swing high. Y'all should only understand where is the swing. We need swing high, swing low. See, I'm not giving any weightage to any point. What I said, what are critical points. I'm not giving any weightage to any points. I'm like choosing what are the critical points where it can reverse. Why should I give weightage? Why do I want to preempt anything? I'm just seeing. Mr. Rajneesh, where to consider entry? I explained, from where I'm getting a reversal. So when I'm getting a reversal, a proper reversal, I've shown you the entry, na? Yes, Mr. Rajneesh? Oh, thank you so much, Oka. Thank you, Mr. Anbu, for enjoying the session. Yes. Now, from this only, I have made one thing. If it matches with someone, it is a coincidence. But this is what I do. And I have taught this many times. I have taken EMA 61 for 15 minutes with RSI. I have done a special webinar for that, wonders of EMA with RSI. For 5 minutes, I have taken in Techno Funda Summit. And now I will be taking it on hourly basis. Why hourly basis? 60 minutes plus 61.8 EMA. What's it? 61 matching. EMA is the exponential moving average. 60 plus 61 means 60 minutes plus 61 EMA ka combination. It's not 60 plus 61. And I'm showing you. So this all, last two I've already taught. There must be videos with eLearn. Yes, and many people are doing good on EMA in Nifty. Now let us do this. So now I am using a 61 EMA as a support and resistance. EMA as a support and resistance. When it comes below 61 EMA, swing low break kiya, I'll go short, right? Swing low broken, I'll go short below the EMA, and see the price is moving. Price is moving. If you are scared, you can book it over here, part profits, okay? And then by closing, if it is at this level, now see this, everything I've explained here in writing. It works everywhere, stocks, commodity, currency, wherever you want, it will work. Don't worry. Whichever time frame you want, it will work. But right now I'm teaching you 61 minutes with EMA. So please use it over here only. So what has happened at 3:30, the price was around 2325. And what you can see now? What you can see now? Come on. I should get some reply. So I know that you all are listening to me. What should I see now? What am I getting? Yes. Should I carry the position for tomorrow? Should I carry the position for tomorrow? As a short position, this is my short position. Should I carry the position for tomorrow? My short position, should I carry for tomorrow? No. I will not buy because I'm not sure. Kal ki kal dekhenge. But can I carry it? No. I will square off my short and go home. Maximum profit is this, minimum profit is this. And if you carry it by any chance, if you can't close, no, I don't know. I will not go for BTST and all that. I see, the thing is, again, we are talking about the thing because we can see the right hand side picture. So you're talking of BTST because you're seeing the right hand side of the picture. What if right hand side of the picture is not there? That means, see, in a movie, what we do now, we see the suspense first and then we trade. But market, no, it doesn't give me at 3:30 what it will close. That I will come to know at 3:30 only. So again, don't look at, if you are in a position, no, I bet you if you can take a buy position over here. Because you can see the right hand side, you are taking a buy position. If you don't have a right hand side, and if I hide it, I bet you cannot take the position. Let us try. One hour, I open EMA 61, right? We were in October. Now tell me. जितने लोगों ने बोला था ना कि they'll take home, now tell me. Will you all take home? Now tell me. Come on. Because you don't have the right hand side picture. You will at the most, you will square it off. Why? Because you are having a triple divergence sort of thing. So you will just square it off. But what you are seeing, you'll say, Arey, it is again turning down. So I will not buy and go. Will you take a PTSD position? Tell me properly. Tell me. No. That's not, and when I show you this, you will say, you will take. Why? It is a book perfect picture, but practical. You might even not close your position, but definitely you will close your position here. So I use this only as support and resistance. Same thing over here. Can you see? It is above 61. But when will I trade? Above the swing high. And I'll keep on going. Till where? What say? Should I exit? It's that beautiful picture. These two lines, there are no two lines. I'll show you on the chart now. There are no two lines. They are just these. This is one swing. That was another swing. I had to dismantle the chart. I have to hide the chart. So now you got, there are two resistance which got broken and the price moved up. That was two lines. Is it okay now? $61.8, not 68%, Mr. Prafulla. This is not a percentage. This is only EMA 61. Because I can't take 61.8. Somebody asked me why not 62, take 62, 61, whatever you like. I have mixed it with 60 and 61 that way. तो थोड़ा फिब का नंबर भी आता है, थोड़ा आवरली का हिसाब से भी आता है. This is what I've done. Ambuja. See, cannot short here because swing low did not break. Can you see that? I cannot short. Swing low did not break. This is the swing low which did not break. Again it moved up. My swing high broke here, wherever you say. If you buy it over here also, if you buy, let us say, here also, so what will be your SL? Below the EMA. And see the way it has moved beautifully. Only when it is at top, if there is simultaneously a fib retrace, fib resistance, what will I do? I will see if there is any divergence. Mil gaya, ho gaya kaam. What should I do? Out. Close your, either you close your position here, otherwise यहाँ तो close होना ही है. Even if you close over your position over here, you can get maximum. If you don't close your position over here, sometimes what happens, we close our position here also. Why? Because RSI has come below 30. We can close our position here also when EMA has broken. That is also 520. Or move from 410 to 520 in a matter of 1 month only. 100 rupees in Ambuja cement. So the general rules, what I follow is, if price breaks one level, it is a high probability to go to the next level. And for a valid entry into a fib level, one must have a candle close above or below the fib level. Okay. My very, very important rule, which I always, always, always follow. However confident I am, I will always trade within my limit. And I tell that to everyone. However confident I am on my trades, or you are on my trades, or any advisor's trade, or your own study is very beautiful. However confident you are, you should always trade within your limits. Always. If I come to know that I'm trapped, if I come to know that I'm trapped, I can exit with a small stop loss. Gujarat Ambuja, Ambuja Cement, I did not give a call. If I come to know I'm trapped, I can exit in a small stop loss. Stop loss is compulsory for me, without which I cannot take the trade. But if market comes to know that I'm trapped, then it may kick me out of the market. See, for views, my all social members, social club members, for all the views, join me on Friday post market. This time I'm there. That time I'll show you my view. And never trade without knowledge. This is the most important part. There are two questions. There's one question. Everybody asks me, market kya lagta hai? What do you see market? Market is for, y'all also asked me, some few people asked me the question, market is falling, market is rising. So first thing is, you don't know what time frame he is looking at. If you ask me or anyone, he will say market is looking good. But you don't know what time frame he is looking at and telling you he looks market is looking good. And secondly, he doesn't know which time frame you are asking for. So when you ask, what do you see the market? I say market is bullish. But tomorrow it may fall. Then I will say, no, long term is bullish. You said I asked for tomorrow. Did you clarify? No. So please be sure when you ask anyone, at least ask a proper question, not only the simple language. What market kya lagta hai? What is the expectation from the market? Yes, somebody wanted the previous slide. Yes, I have gone to previous slide. What is the question you are asking? Can you repeat the question? Mr. Sumit, you wanted to see the slide? After this one? Yeah? This PPT you will get this. Don't worry, this PPT you will get it. It's the same thing which I'm telling you. I'm showing in a practical way, but thoda bullet points I've written it over here. Yeah? So let's say anything for that, even if I take Nifty also for 1 hour. What say, my friends? Can you see it? Yeah? And then what you get over here finally? Today you got open high, gap up, open high, along with, in hourly time frame, along with divergence. What else you want in the market? Yes, my friends. Huh? Beautiful, na? मजा आया? You can draw anything, anywhere and try and test it. Why I'm saying you should draw and try and test it. I know where to draw from, where to take and all that. But I want y'all to do your practice. Okay? Okay, somebody is requesting me for dredging corporation. generally, now if I remove this EMA, see, everything you should not take together. Now tell me, what do you see? And what you should do? You tell me. What do you see and what you should do? Yes, my friend who was asking me, I'm not saying short or long. I didn't say short or long. If you're holding, please exit. See, first thing is if you're holding, please exit. That's what I can say. So now you all have started understanding what to see. Yes? So it's 7 o'clock, and as I promised you, there's a cherry on the cake. Shall I? What do you see? What do you see? Yes. So, I'll show you some beautiful thing. Let us see if you can. Why I cut this so that I can explain you properly. What did I see here? Yes, my friends. What did I see here? I didn't knew that it was a COVID. Sorry. 20 January 2020, 12430. Oh, gap up, open high, exactly at triple divergence, or I can say 4 divergence. 1, 2, 3, 4. What to do? Tell me. I don't know it is a COVID. I don't know anything. Nobody knew on 12th January that this was the thing. Nobody knew. But who knew? Market knew. What it knew? Kuch gadbad hai. What to do? Triple divergence, gap up, all-time high, gap up, 4 divergence, gap up, open high. Right? Yes? Okay. Now, I'll show you one more beautiful thing. Let me see. I'll take you to a very, very beautiful thing. I think it is available, so I will show you. What is this? What is this? 2008. What is this, my friends? See, what is this? Don't you find a similar pattern what was in 2008 and the same thing happened in 2020? And still we are holding the buy position. What should I say? History repeats itself. That's all I can say. So isn't it a cherry on the cake? Isn't it a cherry on the cake? So enjoy this. Okay. One more. I don't have quarterly charts over in trading view, but those who have quarterly charts, because I have quarterly charts, but that picture is somewhere else, I will send that screenshot to y'all. But right now I will explain y'all that Fibonacci numbers 1, 2, 3, 5. Right? In 2008, particularly, forget 5. See the quarterly chart. I saw first quarter down, second quarter down, third quarter down, coming fourth quarter up. Why? Because this was March 2008. Means, sorry, not March, it was up to, yeah, from June quarter onwards, it started moving up. Till May, it was falling. After that, fourth quarter, because 3 is a Fibonacci number, and 9 months or 11 months, market was falling. How many months? 11 months market was falling continuously, which I can show you right now, that 11 months market was falling. Can you see this? I'll take you to monthly chart. Yes. See, it is falling continuously. I'll increase the speed. It's taking more time. See markets, the way the markets are falling. You can enjoy that. I'll send you all the screenshot of quarterly screen, but that for that you will have to give me 2-3 days. I will definitely send you all the quarterly ka screen I have, where the fourth quarter I had bought. Why? Because 3 quarters of the fib numbers were down. In quarter, having a fall continuously was a very tough job. So that is why I look at quarterly also. So fib numbers play a magical role over there. So my friends,